Hi, welcome to Artisan Floors and Interiors. We'd love to show you what we have in stock. I'm just going to take it one by one. This is our Oak Autumn Laminate with the real wood veneer top. And the Oak Autumn Laminate is going for $1.98 per square foot. And we have over 700 square feet in stock. You can look at it in the light over here. There we go. It'd be probably better. There it is. Okay. Next on the list is our real hardwood Bruce hickory. It's an engineered hardwood. It's going for $1.68 per square foot. And there's a little over 200 square feet of this in stock. So that's good for a small area. Next is our stonewash oak. A little over 400 square feet of this. Going for $1.98 per square foot. Here we have our Miami oak, engineered hardwood. Miami oak, a little over 900 square feet, $1.98 per square foot. This seems to be a real popular one, the antique beige engineered hardwood. A little over 700 square feet in stock, running at $1.48 per square foot. This is our LA Oak engineered hardwood. About 1,400 square feet in stock, running at $1.98 per square foot. And here we have our Arvada luxury vinyl. Arvada is running at $1.68 per square foot. And we have a little over 2,000 square feet in stock. This has been a very popular product, the antique oak. Not much left, only 100 square feet left. $1.98 per square foot. All right, and moving on, we have the Mohawk Oak Autumn. Okay, let's see, how many square feet do we have of this? Mohawk Antique. Oh, you know what? I don't know. Oak Autumn. I'll have to double check this one. Oh, here it is. Oak. Nope, gonna have to skip this one. I don't know if I have any information on that. I'll have to look at that in a little bit. Okay, here's the golden oak. Now the golden oak is a laminate with a real wood veneer top. And the golden oak comes two different ways, 5-inch width and 3 1/4 inch width. They're both $1.98 per square foot. And in the 5-inch, we have 593 square feet in stock. And in the 3 1/4 inch, we have 932 square feet in stock. Aspen oak is a luxury vinyl glue down. And we have about 100 square feet in stock, $1.68 per square foot. Not much of that left. That's been selling like crazy. Oh, here's another in-stock item, our special $8.75. And this is running 98 cents per square foot. We have over 3,000 square feet in stock. So let's do a number of areas. Got a little dusty. Let me do it just so you can see it better. There we go. All right, moving on. This is our vintage oak hardwood, engineered hardwood. And the vintage oak hardwood is $1.88 per square foot. And we have about 450 square feet in stock. Here's our vinyl glue down called Gruyere, special 734. And we have over 3,000 square feet in stock, running at 98 cents per square foot. Great deal. Get in touch. And here's our lovely Capella birch. About 360 square feet left in stock, running at $1.98 per square foot. So if you want a very dark floor, this is a good choice at a great price. And then we have some commercial flooring as well. This is totally teal. Okay, totally teal. We have about 4,000 square feet, running at 79 cents per square foot. You can see the color a little bit better there. Also, same quality flooring, different color. We have the Dire Wolf, running at the same price per square foot of 79 cents per square foot. And we also have this product, which is a 12 by 24 vinyl plank. So it's our 941 series. And the 941 glue down series, we have about 1,400 square feet, and it's 98 cents per square foot. All right, well, we'd love to come and give you a free estimate on anything you need. We have all these items in stock. Get in touch with us today. We'll set something up for you, and you know, when it's in stock, of course, we can set up the installation much quicker for you. We don't have to wait for the products to come in. We already have them in stock. Thanks for listening. Come visit us. Artisan Floors and Interiors. You can call us 609-770-6566. Press 1 for immediate customer service. Open every day. Or visit us online, artisanfloorsandinteriors.com. Thank you.